Hello everyone, I am Vikas Meena. I am a first year undergraduate student at IIT Delhi, and today I am going to present my ELP project, which is based on working tube light in circuit with choke coil and starter. So the first question is, what is a starter? So a starter is basically a simple time switch which allows the flow of current in the filaments of light. The current heats up the contact of the starter, turning turning it switching on and off until the light gets until it get light up. Now, what is a tube light? So the tube light basically runs on the principle of completion of circuit with the ionization of gases which are trapped in this lamp. So although the ionization constant for gases are very low, but still the electrons started to flow through them, and a circuit is completed. So a current started to flow through the gases. Now a choke coil. So a choke coil is that part of electrical circuit which allows only the DC current to flow through it, while it completely blocks the AC current from passing. So if a AC plus DC supply is flowing through, AC plus DC current is flowing through this choke coil, then only the DC current will get out. Will come out. These coils are used in a number of electrical devices nowadays. So now the important functions of these. So the main important function of a starter is that it generates a pulsed high voltage spike that initiate ionized path through tube. So it ionizes the gases, and basically therefore after it completes the circuit. Uh, now for choke, the choke plays a very important role in tube light. If in the absence of this choke, the tube light will get flashed due to a very high substantial amount of current flow. The main purpose of choke coil is to limit the control flow. The choke is connected in series because with the phase it is connected with the phase wise. The choke is also used to induce high voltage. Now, initially, the purpose of choke is to provide a very high voltage in between the filaments across the two ends of the tube light. But when once the gas in the tube gets ionized, then the choke therefore provides a very low voltage. So choke is basically a combination of a inductor and resistor. Now, these tubes lamps in which the gases are trapped are filled with mercury vapor. They use electric charge to excite mercury atoms in order to produce ultraviolet light. So this is basically the process for ionization of the gas inside the lamp. Now, a tube light consists of a filament, a choke, or inductor for the lighting purpose. A inductor, as we know, it does not allow sudden change in its current. So after some time, it glows. So when we start the switch, then after some time we notice that the tube light glow after some time. So this is the reason, because there is inductor which does not allow sudden change in current. A capacitor is also connected in parallel circuit, so the LCR circuit will get completed. Now, in reference of the lab experiment 3 that we did, the choke coil uses the condition of resonance in the circuit. Now we know that at resonance, the phase difference between the uh, voltage across the inductor and voltage across the capacitor is 180 and are equal. So the circuit is basically purely resistive. This helps the tube light to work in max efficiency, because if there is a minimum resistance, then there will be maximum power for functioning. Now these are the conditions. So starter functions. Now, importance of LCR circuit. LCR circuit are important in various applications, because LCR circuit help to reduce power consumption by controlling current flow. This may cause overheating, है ना? This reduce the voltage fluctuation also in devices. This stores energy in a very efficient way, in a very device and control manner. This helps in controlling the control from application, because in at household purposes we receive only AC current at a 50 Hz frequency, and the stability also the stability of all those circuits is because of this LCR circuit, which got completed by the starter. Now these are the diagrams. Thank you. I am Vikas Meena.